In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update stock in Zoho Books. Updating your inventory accurately is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your business data, whether you're addressing discrepancies, damage, or adjusting inventory values over time. Let's dive in and take you through this process step by step. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Inventory Adjustments section within your Zoho Books account. Once you've logged in, you'll see a sidebar on the left-hand side. From there, go ahead and click on the Inventory section. This is where you'll manage all your stock-related tasks. Next, click on Inventory Adjustments. This area is specifically designed for making changes to your inventory records in a controlled and documented manner. With that set, it's time to create a new adjustment. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a button labeled either as Plus New or Plus Make an Adjustment. Go ahead and click that. This will initiate the process of recording an inventory adjustment, allowing you to make necessary modifications in a structured way. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the type of adjustment you want to make. On this screen, you have two main options: quantity adjustment and value adjustment. A quantity adjustment is useful when you need to correct physical stock levels. This could be needed because of issues like damage, theft, or any discrepancies you've noticed in your inventory count. On the other hand, a value adjustment is needed when the cost or value of your inventory changes over time, ensuring your financial records reflect these changes accurately. Once you've chosen the appropriate adjustment type, it's time to enter the required details. Begin by filling in all the mandatory fields. You'll need to specify the date when the adjustment is taking place. Next, make sure to select the account under which the change will reflect. This is vital for tracking your financials and understanding the impact of the adjustment. Don't forget to include the reason for the adjustment, as this provides context and transparency for any future reviews or audits. Moving forward to the Items section, you'll need to specify what exactly you are adjusting. Select the item or items you wish to adjust. If you're doing a quantity adjustment, enter the new quantity or adjusted quantity. If you're making a value adjustment, input the revised value. This step ensures your inventory records are updated accurately and reflect the current situation. Finally, it's time to save your adjustment. You have two options here. If you're not entirely ready to finalize the change, you can click Save as Draft. This option lets you revisit and edit the adjustment later when you're ready. Alternatively, if you're confident in the changes you've made and want to finalize them immediately, select Convert to Adjusted. This action will update your records promptly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to update stock in Zoho Books. Keep these steps in mind the next time you need to make adjustments, and you'll maintain accurate and reliable inventory records for your business.